You know, it's so interesting. One of the great tax deductions that still remains for American business people and building owners is accelerated depreciation. It's bonus depreciation. Of course, it's part of the one big beautiful bill that gets discussed a lot, and there's a lot of buzz about it. But one of the things that amazes me is that a lot of owners have buildings where they've owned them for a year or two or 5 or 10, and they've never done cost segregation on their buildings. Now, when you get over 10 years, it may not make sense to do cost segregation. We can still take a look at it. We'll look at the schedule and see if there's anything else that we can squeeze out of that building. And I still encourage you to do that, to take a look at that. But if you don't own the building for the last couple of years and you've not done cost segregation and you are profitable, if you're a real estate professional in particular, but if you're a profitable investor, a profitable building owner, there's likely money that's sitting on the table on that depreciation schedule that we can squeeze out, that we can accelerate, so we can reclassify the building from a 39-year asset for commercial property into 5, 15, and 39-year property, and the 5 and 15-year are eligible for bonus depreciation. And depending on when you put it into service, the bonus depreciation rules may impact that, right? So in 2023 it was 80%, 2024 it was 60%, in the early part of 25 it's 40%, and now it's back to 100. Anyway, don't make the assumption that your building's not going to qualify, or there's nothing there, or you got the depreciation schedule, you're a CPA, a tax advisor, you just kind of rolling through it again, you're filing the taxes, you've got the depreciation schedule, you update it, and it does not have accelerated depreciation on there, no bonus depreciation. We should take a look at it. My name is John Murphy. I represent a firm called CSSI. I work all over the United States to help building owners save money on their income taxes by doing cost segregation on their buildings. Find me on LinkedIn, connect with me on my blog at costsegbuilding.com. Check out our new calculator at costsegcalc.com. Plug in your asset and you will see what you might be able to save on your taxes by doing cost segregation on your building. Bye-bye.